save name, ID sender, and IB action consists of the name of the action and what initiates the action. That's quite simple. Now, each object declared in the H file needs to be synthesized in here. It's simple, name label and text field. Now we're going to be writing what exactly is going to be, what was its name? Save name. Save name, ID sender. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new string which is going to contain the name that is going to be typed inside the text field. Oops, not that. And it will format. Your name is text field text. Now, I just created a new string. First, I allocated the string. I told xcode that, hey, there's going to be a new string inside here, and I told it to store it inside its memory, and I initialized it and said what is going to be inside there. Now, there's going to be a sentence, your name is, and another string, and this string is going to be the string that's going to be grabbed from the text field. That's quite simple. Now I'm going to be telling xcode what's going to be stored inside the name label, set text, name release. Now this is quite simple. I don't think I need to explain this. I just set the text of the name label to this string and I released this string, because you need to remember that iPhone is very strict about memory. You as a programmer need to release every object that is allocated in the memory when this object is no longer used. When we set the name label text with the string we typed, we don't need it anymore, so we can release it from the iPhone's memory. There is no need for it to be stored inside the memory. Now, we're going to be declaring another action, because when we press the text field, the keyboard is going to be initiated, and our task also is to hide this keyboard. Well, keyboard ID center. When the keyboard is initiated, it becomes the application's first responder. And keyboard. And our task is, when we don't want this keyboard to be anymore, we need to stop it from being the first responder. So what we do, text resign first responder. This is the command for releasing the keyboard. Now that's it for the coding, and we're going to be editing the user interface file. Now the first thing we're going to do is drag two labels from here, a text field and a button. Now we don't want this label to contain any text, because we're going to set the text inside the code. This is the label that is going to be there, so we want some text to be stored in here, and we want the button to store some text also. We added the text by double clicking on the object. Now we need to tell xcode which object is which, so we select the files owner icon, we press Command 2, and the connections view is